Oh, yeah, what is that? That's beautiful. I'm mad man, I shouldn't buy it. Are you doing the same thing like me? One day, man, one day. What's up, everybody? Good afternoon. All right, so hold on, let me pull this shit out of my ears. So, all right, this is a little update about the ECU for my car already. I'm supposed to be buying some injectors and the cams, and then put them in. And then one more thing to do is to tune the car, but I also need to put the 4-inch exhaust. I'm taking the exhaust that's on the car off, and I'm gonna do a 4-inch. All right, so I don't know if there's some bad luck on me or something. Oh, by the way, that's not my car, that's the neighbor's shit. But anyways, I don't know if there's some bad luck on me or something, but I was parked in the parking lot today, and this person just came up and sideswiped the side of my car. I mean, this car is clean as hell. You don't got no damage on it, no dents, none of that shit. This person just came and just did this shit, and then he want to try to deny it. But anyways, the police report has been done. I just called the police. Well, I just called his insurance company probably like 20-30 minutes ago to do the claim. So they should supposed to be getting back with me in 3 days. I mean, it's nothing big, but I don't want to start this trend of the car getting damaged and shit, and you know, not taking care of it. So yeah, let me just spin this camera around right now and show y'all what's up. Next thing is about to rain here in Miami, and I got a fuel pump for the next GS that I did the swap on. I'm about to put it in the car right now. It's now 1:41 and it's gonna rain. If it rains, I gotta stop. I'm gonna see if I can hurry and pull it out, have the pump somewhere where it's not raining, assemble the pump, and then put it back in the car. If it starts raining, I can't get to put it back in the same way. But let me spin this around and show y'all what's up, so y'all can see the damage that's on the car, because this is just ridiculous. These people want to hit your stuff and they don't want to run away. Y'all can see this right here is the damage that's on the car. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but that right there is the damage that's on the car. You see, with that coming right down here, and then this right here is the damage. All right, hopefully the camera can pick that up. But as you can see, the car has no damage on it, you know, but he just decided he's about to go start some shit down there and try to pull a quick one. I'm saying something to him and he's like pulling away, like he don't want to hear what I'm saying, even though he know that he's the one that caused the damage. But anyways, enough of that shit. Let's go get to doing this right now. I'm gonna go freaking start pulling this out. I think the back seat is already out of the car, so let's jump over there. In order to pull the fuel pump on a GS 300 98 to 2005, you got to lift up the back seat. There's two clips right here that used to pull it, and right there you put your hand around here and you pull it from here where it's latched in. Now you're gonna need a 10. These are some plastic stuff right here. You just put the 10 on there and ratchet these stuff right here off, and then after you get these stuff off, it'll be sweet fuel pump. All right, I'm gonna show y'all how to replace that fuel pump inside the fuel pump assembly when I get down in there. It's about to rain right now, and I really don't want to be down in here while it's raining, because I'm gonna need a tree too. So that's another thing. So yeah, I don't want to be underneath here when it's raining. All right, so you lift this cover up. All right, and then here you are in the fuel pump assembly area. All right, so this clip, undo the clip. Can't be working this with one hand. Oh Lord, I'll be right back with y'all. After you pull out the clip, yo, just do a max. After you pull out the clip right here, you're gonna need to pull these little stuff around here. I'm not sure what size they are, but I have a drill here. All right, so in order to relieve some of the pressure, up it. The next one. You pull it already. Pull it just cover already. You see, when you ask a noob to do something.
Oh,
and
shoot, the battery dead.
Oh, okay, he said the battery is dead. All right, we're just gonna do it like this, real quick. All right, so let me see if this is the correct one. Unfortunately, no. So I'll get right back with you. I gotta put a screw in there. I got one item that I forgot. I was supposed to buy one at Harbor Freight the other day, but didn't get to buy. So we're heading out of Walmart. And like you see, it's about to rain. It's 1:59 now, and I still haven't got nowhere with it. But I'm gonna go check out by Walmart, buy this little adapter thing for the impact. I think it's a 1/4 or whatever adapter for the impact. So I'm gonna go do that right now. All right, so we back. We came back from Walmart and whatever. You can see that's what we're dealing with right there. So we already pulled all these. Next thing now is to release this. Now what you need to do, hold this, hold that. All right, so pull this out, the clip, put that down one side, and then it might get a little bit of fuel. Okay, there we go. All right, good. So now take out the fuel pump assembly out just like this. All right, going out, out. You gotta kind of slant it a little bit. Oh, perfect. Kind of slant it a little bit. All right, there we go. Now we have this that sucks here. Gotta pull this off. Okay, that gets off, and then we pull the pump out. All right, so I'm about to pull this fuel pump down. I don't really got the screwdrivers, so I'm gonna try to do it the best way I can with this thing without breaking it up. All right, you need to pull all these little clip things around it on the bottom right here. All right, good. Oh, this one got clipped back in. And once you get this off, good. This is the bottom part of the pump right here. You might have to pull this part. All right, and then, oh Lord, I hate having to deal with this, but it's what it is. It's what it is. All right, there we go. All right, so old fuel pump is out. Now let me go grab the new one. Back up off, it's up. Look at it. Hold it up. Yeah, like it. Alright, so, oh, you're seeing a little key tag. Bullshit. Alright, so this is the new fuel pump. Alright, so we're gonna do now, we're gonna put it in. It looks similar. Same color too. Alright. So they sent some new stuff here. The plug should be able to plug up the same way and just get right back down there the same way. Let me just set these rubbers right here good. You got some rubbers in there, just be careful and set the rubbers back good, else you won't have no fuel pressure in the car. So it seems like I'm going to have to let me see. All right, I won't need those. All I need is this little thing in this new filter. All right, so let's go ahead and put this back in. You need to catch the clip inside here. So let's do this. Where's that little clip now? Hopefully it fits back the same way and I don't actually have to go and rewire it, because I hate touching the wires when it comes on to gas pumps inside the tank and all that. I don't like messing around with that stuff. You know how things could get crazy real soon right down there in that tank. All right. Oh Lord. Pause it. Stop it. Press back and record button. All right, so I'm back. Finally put this in. Was a little bit of hassle because you got to catch it down inside here. So I caught it back down in there and slipped it back inside. So this is the old pump. I'm not going to be using the old pump filter either. So I'm going to get this new filter, and they have a little ring that's right here that's supposed to use to hold it on tighter. All right, so what you need to do now is this. Yeah, what you need to do is put this over here. So the clip shit. It's never gone on something like this before. Oh Lord, I hate these little shit. Oh Lord. All right, there you go. My stupidity. All right, so this goes over here and right over this. Now what you need to do with this little thing, you need to push it onto here to make sure that it holds the pump filter down. All right, so this is the filter, and that's where it goes into. This little thing right here is going to help to hold the pump down, hold the filter down. All right, so let's clip that on. Let me get something else to use to put it down there. All right, a little motivation from this thing, if it will work. Oh. It went somewhere else. It's not damaged though. Let's try this again. Oh Lord. Oh, I think I kind of dirtied up a bit. All right, it's kind of loose, so I'm gonna get a pliers and kind of squeeze it a little bit. All right, here we go. Squeeze it just a little bit. Come on, squeeze it just a little bit so it stays on there. Oh Lord, and I guess it doesn't want to work. Huh. Ain't that some shit? Ain't that some shit? Oh Lord. Let me try something else. I guess that one, the aftermarket little shit, is not good. Let me try the old one that was on the next pump. Hopefully I get it off without damaging it. This old one is a whole lot better quality. Oh Lord, it actually came and left that. Seems like these little shits got it out for me. Oh man, pause it. Okay, good. So we're back right now, doing this, and I'm done. I guess I'll just use the new one that came in it, because, oh well, whatever, what the hell. Just use the new one. Alright, so this goes right here for the new pump. Hopefully it works, because a lot of times these aftermarket shits don't work. Alright, and then this part goes over the top of the pump now. And as I say, it might be too big to work over it. Let's see. And I think it is too big to work over it. Alright, let's eliminate all that shit. Let's use the old one. That's not what's pumping the gas anyways. Let's do this. Alright, so bomb. It's going down. Adjust that a little bit. And then 1, 2, 3. They're all in. Okay, good. So now we're ready to put the fuel pump back in. Everything's good. Put the fuel pump back in. New fuel pump, whatever. That's all it takes to change a fuel pump on a GS. Now just repeat everything that I did and rewind, and you get it. All right, so let me put this in, and I'm gonna do a test of it. I'm gonna do a startup on it. Everybody, hold on, let me clean this shit. Ah, there we go. All right, so Lord, the lighting is very bad right there. All right, that's a little bit better. Okay, so change the fuel pump out on the GS right here, and I don't know what the hell seems to be the issue. The only other thing that I could think of right now is the catalytic converters that's blocked. I don't have an extra one right now, and yeah, so one day this week I'm gonna pull it down, pull off the manifold along with the catalytic converters, because you know that's how they come, and check in there to see that whatever. I know it's not the fuel pump, because with the back seat off of the car, I actually press the gas and the fuel pump goes up and down and up and down. So it's getting a higher voltage for a higher rev range than throttling. So yeah, I didn't bother showing a video because the car is still, you know, acting up. I didn't want to show a video of the car acting up. It's drivable somewhat, but it's still acting up. So yeah, as I say, I'm gonna check on it this week and see what's going on. If not, I just can't bother. We might just put the car up for sale. I mean, car has Japanese transmission. It's a 5-speed, and a 2J engine from Japan, non-turbo. The body is clean apart from just the fender right here. You probably need a right side fender if you can't find a body person to fill that out. Well, to beat it out and whatever. Which a fender is pretty cheap. So yeah, the interior is good, and whatever. Only thing it's missing is a radio. So yeah, let's see what's going on with this. Check it out this week. I got more stuff to be dealing with that I don't even have time to be doing, and to be dealing with this, it's, I don't know, I just can't bother. Like today, I've been doing so much shit. It's now nearly 5 o'clock. It's 4:38. I'm my only day off, and I'm still not asleep yet. After getting off of work at 7 yesterday morning, then going back to work at 3 o'clock, and getting off at 7 this morning, working 16 hours, you know, with 4 hours sleep yesterday. Like, I got shit that I need to get done that I still haven't done. All right, so yeah, in terms of my car, already bought a standalone ECU and some sensors. Have some more that I have to buy. I'm gonna be getting it by about next week Wednesday, so whenever I get it, I'm gonna plug it up to the car, you know, see if everything works, download the software if I could download it online for my computer, and test everything out. I'm gonna be running well, my aim is to run a map for E85 and one for 93, and mostly running on E85. I've already found some 1600 cc injectors that I'm planning to use those. So yeah, it's just a matter of time. I gotta get those, and I gotta get some 272 BC racing not coilovers, camshafts. So yeah, anyways, thank y'all for watching. See y'all later on this week. Rate, comment, subscribe, share my video. Trying to get this channel to grow. I don't know whatever secret sauce those other YouTube people's got, but whatever. So yeah, just rate, comment, subscribe, share the video, and thank y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Have a good rest of your weekend. Peace.